Hello everyone. Today I will be making a short introduction to the science of Toontown. In this video I plan to explain the math-based system of the Gags and Cog Health so that new and old players alike can use this information to create better Gag strategies. First, let's start with Cog Health. For every Cog level, the Cog Health increases proportionally by using the formula f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. Here is an example of the f of x formula for a level 11 Cog. You notice that below it has listed f of x equals 11 squared plus 3 times 11 plus 2, which equals 156, which is the health level for a level 11 Cog. This f of x formula stays true for all Cogs except level 12 Cogs. By using this formula, it would be expected that a level 12 Cog would have maximum health of 180, however it has an additional 20 points, making the health equal 200 instead of 180. Every combat gag, or every gag that does damage to a Cog, has a damage value formula based on the number of experience points that you currently have. Since presenting and explaining every gag formula would be far too time-consuming, I will only explain 2 of these gag formulas. This is the cupcake formula. This formula, which states, for every 3 skill points, the cupcake's damage attributes increase, explains the reason why when one first enters the Toon tutorial and hits the level 1 flunky with the cupcake, it does not die. This cupcake is not maxed, therefore it will only subtract 4 points of damage from the Cog instead of 6 points. However, when the Toon receives their next throw gag, that Toon has maxed the cupcake gag, and it will subtract 6 points of damage from the Cog that it hits. Let's move on to the birthday cake formula. As you can see, the birthday cake formula states for every 77 skill points, the birthday cake's damage attributes increase. So in this particular case, for every 76.9 points of experience that one earns, the damage of the birthday cake will increase. Therefore, one would be lucky to even kill an unlured level 6 Cog with a birthday cake that they just received. This formula also explains why, when a person who has a birthday cake that does a maximum damage of 80 points attacks a lured level 10 Cog, that level 10 will not die, because in that case, you would have the birthday cake, which does 80 damage, plus the 40 damage of lure bonus, because lure bonus is always half of the value of the gag, combined would be equal to a minus 120 points of damage. In that particular case, since a level 10 has a maximum health of 132, you still would have 12 points of damage left over that would leave the Cog alive. I will post my sources in the description below so that you can find more information about gag formulas and your current gag damage. So let's move on to gag damage. As you know, every gag subtracts a certain amount of damage from each Cog. Today I will be showing the amount of damage that each maxed combat gag, levels 1 through 6, subtracts from each Cog.